Hi everyone, and welcome back to Skin and Healthy Tips. Today we're talking about a problem we've all faced at some point, dry skin. Whether it's caused by the weather, lifestyle habits, or skincare mistakes, dry skin can be frustrating and uncomfortable. But don't worry. In this video, I'll cover the causes, prevention tips, and the best skincare routine to keep your skin soft, hydrated, and glowing. So, grab a pen and notebook, and let's get started. What causes dry skin? First, let's understand why our skin gets dry. Dry skin happens when the outer layer of your skin doesn't have enough moisture. Common causes include weather changes, cold air, and low humidity levels strip moisture from your skin. Hot showers. Over time, hot water can damage the skin's natural barrier. Harsh soaps and skincare products. Ingredients like sulfates can strip away natural oils. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water affects your skin's ability to stay hydrated. Aging. As we age, our skin naturally produces less oil. Understanding these causes is the first step toward healthier skin. How to prevent dry skin. Now that we know the causes, let's talk prevention. Here are some simple but effective tips. Limit hot showers. Use lukewarm water instead. Your skin will thank you. Moisturize immediately after bathing. Use a good quality moisturizer while your skin is still damp. Use a humidifier. Especially during winter, humidifiers add moisture back into the air. Choose the right products. Look for gentle, fragrance-free cleansers and avoid alcohol-based toners. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to hydrate from within. Wear sunscreen. Even in winter, the sun can dehydrate your skin, so never skip sunscreen. Small changes like these can make a big difference in keeping your skin soft and supple. The best skincare routine for dry skin. Now, let me walk you through a simple skincare routine tailored for dry skin. Gentle cleanser. Use a non-foaming, hydrating cleanser that won't strip your skin's natural oils. Exfoliate once a week. Gently remove dead skin cells using a mild exfoliate. Avoid over-exfoliating, it can worsen dryness. Hydrating toner. Opt for alcohol-free toners with ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid. Moisturizer. Choose a thick, nourishing moisturizer. Ingredients like ceramides, shea butter, and squalane are perfect for dry skin. Step 5. Add a face oil, optional. Seal in moisture with a few drops of facial oil, especially at night. Step 6. Sunscreen. During the day, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. This step is non-negotiable. Lifestyle tips for long-term results. To truly combat dry skin, it's important to make some lifestyle changes as well. Eat a balanced diet. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 8 hours. Reduce stress. High stress can lead to skin issues, so practice mindfulness or yoga. When you combine these habits with a good skincare routine, your skin will stay hydrated and healthy year-round. And that's it for today's video. I hope these tips and tricks help you tackle dry skin once and for all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Skin and Healthy Tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any tips of your own or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep glowing.